So what's happening here with XRP is nothing short of amazing recently after the big news came out. We're going to talk about that in this video, obviously, and talk about just how much of the crypto trading volume is coming into XRP. And you can make the argument right now that XRP is showing a lot of signs of an upward trend from here. Not only does XRP now account for 21% of all crypto trade volume, it's also sky high in the social dominance category, which we're going to dive into that in this video, guys, and talk about what that means. Because, you know, what we can do is we can look at Google search trends a lot of times and see what people are looking at, see what people are interested in. We used to do this a lot back in late 2020, early 2021 to kind of get ready for the bull run, to get ready to see what people are interested in, right? Right now, XRP is a dominant force in the cryptocurrency market, surpassing both Bitcoin and Ethereum in trade volume with absolutely enormous whale activity. This is an unusual turn of events for XRP as they've emerged, again, above Bitcoin and Ethereum, boasting an astounding 21% share of all trade volume, since last week's court ruling. So as soon as that news broke, from right now, XRP controls 21% of all crypto trade volume that has taken place. That's absolutely insane, outpacing Bitcoin and Ethereum in this metric. The surge in trade volume was observed following the recent court ruling, which saw XRP, of course, commanding a significant share of the entire crypto trade volume. Now, in addition to that, the Crypto Basic reported that XRP trading volume crossed over 10 billion back on July 13th, the day the U.S. court granted victory to Ripple against the U.S. regular, at least partial victory. Now, XRP also made a significant stride in South Korean community as well, and huge over in Asia. As Crypto Basic also reported on this, XRP amassed over 2.5 billion in 24-hour trading volume following the landmark ruling just in South Korea alone. Now, talking about that social dominance score, well, the crypto community obviously reacted in a big type of way, and all of a sudden, Google search trends started skyrocketing, even search trends here on YouTube. I'm seeing it as a content creator. More and more people are interested in this content. We've been talking about XRP for a while now, but all of a sudden, more and more people are interested, and I'm noticing it. I can give you firsthand experience. People are fascinated with what's going on with Ripple. It's important to note that Sentiment, the company behind this, a market intelligence platform, previously weighed in on the XRP surge related to social dominance, noting that the court ruling confirming XRP as a non-security in a lot of ways resulted in an astounding 87% price pump within a 3-hour window. So you can imagine what this does for Google search trends. Why is this crypto going crazy? Why is it being covered on Yahoo Finance? Why is it becoming the topic of discussion within crypto, even above Bitcoin and Ethereum? So Sentiment says in their latest insight, basically covering exciting whale activity, huge social dominance and volume, people asking questions, people searching for answers related to XRP all across the internet. Sentiment also revealed that large whale transactions on the XRP network had reached their highest level this year, all of 2023. Not that surprising. It's also attributed the surge in XRP to over 600 investors carrying out transactions worth $100K or more. All of this since the ruling came out. That's a lot of big whale money coming into XRP. Again, above Bitcoin and Ethereum in this regard. So yes, XRP today still kind of trending sideways after coming down a little bit, right? But we do look at CoinMarketCap. Across the board, XRP, one of the top leaders today. It's up 5+%, sitting at around 79, nearly 80 cents. We're slowly ticking back up. I think it's only a matter of time until we go and run at that local top right around 93, 94 cents. We'll be here for it, covering it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below, guys. Love you. I'm out. We'll see you. Bye.